New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2012 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Super Snake. This car is finished in performance white over a black leather and cloth interior. This car has right around 850 miles on the odometer, which is incredible considering that it's a 2012. And from the factory, this car had the over-the-top and tape stripes deleted as its only factory options. However, when the car underwent its Super Snake upgrade treatment at the Las Vegas Shelby facility, the stripes packaging were later re-added. This car is a museum delivery car and has a host of upgrades beyond the normal Super Snake upgrade packages, notably starting with the 800 horsepower Kenne Bell polished supercharger kit, which we will see when we look underneath the engine bay later on. This car also has the Shelby Eibach suspension upgrade, Shelby Baer 6-Piston front and rear brakes. It also has the Shelby upgraded cooling system package and black 20-inch Alcoa Shelby wheels. On the interior, this car has the Kicker stereo system upgrade, as well as several Super Snake upgrade bits, such as headrest embroidery, retro-style seating. On the console, there is a Super Snake badge, as well as a short-throw white cue ball shifter and a certification plaque just beyond the shifter there. Car is presented in excellent condition, again only 850 miles, and we will conclude our clips as we always do with a startup clip and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.